Rachel, you looked away from
No,
the
I have to
screen.
put my pencil down. Megan, can you get that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. I'm sorry I caught it. Boom. She's like, you have one? Mine's okay. Do I have to one? Megan after she was like, I have that. I think the smaller ones are better. Okay. Okay. So today, what we're going to do is our objective for today. I meant to print it out. I did not. So we're going to look at inscribed angles. So I can define okay. So at the bottom of your paper here, let's write the objective together. So I can define, or I'll just put inscribed angles. Okay. So at the bottom here, put the objective. But I would leave some room for you to work this out. Okay. I can define inscribed angles. Okay. And then I can use the properties of inscribed angles to solve for missing parts. Okay. Let's inscribe angles, and let's change that to and tangent lines. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. So I'll write it on here. Objective. I can define inscribed angles and tangent lines. I can apply properties of inscribed angles to solve for missing parts of a circle. All right. Cool. So are there any words that look new to you here? Inscribe, okay. Okay, any words that are familiar to you? Okay, tangent. We've got angles. We know what an angle is, right? We know what a line is. It goes on forever. So let's see, we have angles. All right, what do you think we're going to be doing today? Something with circles. We are with circles. Okay. We're going to be solving, right? So we need our algebra skills today. Right? All right. Sorry. Look at this sad box, by the way. It's almost dead. I didn't do nothing. listen to it. Do that. Hi, everyone. No, not like that. Okay. Also, it's Tuesday. I thought it was Wednesday today, and I was very sad when I went to the calendar to cross off Tuesday, and I couldn't. So, anyway. So, FOIL. So, I'm going to multiply this x to everything over here. So, x times x, x squared. X times -1. Thank you. All right. Have I multiplied this x to everything over here? Yeah, so I got to move on to the 8. 8 times x. And 8 times -1. -8. Okay, so now I've got x squared plus 7x minus 8. We haven't done paper in a hot minute, I feel like. Alright, 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times 6, it'll be 18x, right? Okay. And then -5 times x. Is Natalia the only one here today? Alright, and then -30. Can I combine anything? Yeah. So 3x squared plus 13x minus 30. Okay. Sorry, this circle, like, it bled through, was not supposed to do that. Alright, so now, basically, we're going to go backwards. So now we're given this step, and we want to get to here. Okay? That's what factoring is. Okay, so I need two numbers that multiply to 21, and those same two numbers need to add to 10. Also 7 and 3. Since the number in front of x squared is 1, I can just put those straight into my binomials. Binomial, that just means these guys up here. These are two binomials. So I have x plus 7 times x plus 3. Since there's no equals 0, then that's as far as I can go. Okay? I can't set it equal to 0 and solve. So you should not have x equals anything on your paper because there's no equal sign. Alright. Next one. I need two numbers that multiply to what?
36 and
16. -36. Right. Be careful with the signs. Okay? And then add to what? 16. Perfect. Okay. What do we have for those two numbers? Right. So if your multiplied number is negative, that means you are going to have one positive, one negative. Okay? There's no other way. All right. So what did I say? Sorry. What did we say? 18 and -2. Okay? A is 1, so that means that number in front of x squared is 1, so I can put these straight into my binomials. So x plus 18 times x minus 2. Now remember, I cannot set that equal to 0 because there's no equal sign, okay? There's no equal sign. You can't just have like a little equal sign fairy fly by and drop a little sign off, okay? They don't exist. Okay? Are we okay today? Okay, y'all just seem kind of sad. Because it should be Wednesday. I agree. It should be Friday. That's a better day. All right. On the next page, while I'm cutting off the video real quick, I want you to look up on your Chromebook, I want you to look up the definition for tangent line and an inscribed angle. Make sure that when you're searching this, you put two-way circle on there, or it might give you some weird stuff, okay? So look up those two terms while I get this video stopped and restarted for our virtual peeps. Andrew, were you looking at the stuff every day? Cool. Did you watch the videos? Did you hear Gabe laughing? You might have skipped that part. There's one, it's just hilarious. He's like cackling. He's like, blah, blah. Kylie heard him. She said it's funny. Gabe's not having it today. Gabe, do you need another sticker? Gabe, do you need another sticker? Okay.